Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel called Aqua Blue Boutique, and my name is Zoa. For anybody that is new to my channel, today I'm coming on to share with you guys a haul that I did at Hobby Lobby. I went to Hobby Lobby to look for some props for my photography, since I want to enhance my photography, like product photography. So I decided to go find some stuff that will go well with the theme that I'm doing. So I want to do a lot of rainbow stuff, so I decided to get this rainbow. They have the pastel rainbow one and this darker rainbow. I already bought that one, and it's currently in use right now in my photography area, which is in the garage. And then I got this Easter one. So this one's good for Easter, to like accent like your Easter design, to bring out like the design that you're going to do. And then also like it will also like eliminate like those just empty space around the shirts. So I find that it adds some interest to the product, and actually it's eye-catchy for the customer. So look for props like at Hobby Lobby or Joann or Walmart, because they have a tons of cute stuff. You don't have to buy from Amazon. I mean, Amazon, if you don't have any store near you, then yeah, but you can find cute stuff from those stores. And then I'm also planning to make my own, so that's why today I'm gonna film this, and we're gonna learn to make our own bead tassel, just like this one right here. So you can buy them made already, or you can buy them like this. You can even buy like the wooden beads and paint it whatever color you need to accent your color scheme or design that you're doing. So I'm just lazy to paint my own. So I decided to just grab this one that Hobby Lobby already have. It's already painted, and I like the color in here because it'll go well with the boy theme. And then a girl thing. I think they only have 3 pack. They have this blue, this one. I think the other one is, I don't know. I kept for like it's out of stock, so I don't know what color is it. But I think it was like a mint green or like a neutral. I'm not sure, but I only see these 2 packs, so I only got those 2. So yeah, so we're going to learn how to make the tassel together. Okay, so you guys, it's my first time, so I may not be a good person to be learning from, but I just want to share the process of how I made it, and if I make any mistake, we all could learn together. So I cut out this cardboard. It's about 3.5 inches wide, because I need to wrap this jute twine around it. You can use whatever yarns, or like this one is like threads. You can use threads, yarn, whatever you want, but I want to have like this natural look, so I got the jute twine. And I think the width, it just depends on how long you want this tassel to be. So this is about the right width that I want it to be. So I'm just gonna wrap it a couple times. So everything you guys see here is from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to do this to enhance some of the new product that I just made this week. And right now I'm also in the process of creating a logo for me. I'm trying to do everything myself because I already have like all these programs to do it, so I'm going to try that. and I will post in the community tag. I have two sticker logo that I created because I'm going to be ordering sticker from Sticker Mule, and I will show you guys like their quality, how's the process like once I order it from them. So I will let you guys help me decide which one look better. I mean, I kind of have an idea which one I like better, but I want my viewers to also see too. I think this is good because the jute twine is really thick, so it's not like this. I don't have to wrap like so many times. And let me grab my scissor too. I should have put everything on the table, huh? So you need scissor. I didn't count how many times I wrap it, but then all you have to do is choose one side to tie it. This will be your tassel. Okay, I kind of need to leave a gap because that's where I'm gonna be tying. Now let me wrap the other one before I do that, so it'll be easier. They're pretty. This is pretty easy and self-explanatory, you guys. So yeah, let me know in the comment below if you guys do anything to your product photography. I'm trying like new ways to make my products stand out. So let me know if you guys do anything, or you guys just take a photo of the shirt or whatever sample you guys have, like just straight on. I think this one probably wrapped too much. I think that should be good. Okay, let's see if it's too much and I can cut off some. That's a little bit, okay. Yeah, I think I did a little too much. I will take some out. Yeah, I did not count, so sucks for me. I have to like just kind of hold them and see how they feel. This one looked like I wrapped too many. And then I'm gonna put this one on first. I'm just cut this. Okay, this is good. I want to tie this really tight. Let me not cut it yet. So let's string it. Probably cut that much. I don't know how long needed, but I'm just gonna pull a bunch. And I'm gonna start with this blue one first. I must tape this. Make sure you have tape. So taped this to create this stiff peak so I could push it through. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward this so you guys don't have to watch me like beat every single one.